Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise our fourth chapter, that is the sorting of material into groups. So look over here. Number one, what is the sorting and what is the classification? There are a number of material present in our surrounding. When you can visit in library, you observe different kind of books are arranged in different shelves. In your home also, खाने की चीजें एक अलमीरा के अंदर है, मसाला बॉक्स, right? So different kind of materials are arranged. We classify various materials on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. And this sorting arrangement for their similarity, for their importance, this is known as classification. Classification can be done on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities of the materials. Similar material एक साथ डाल देंगे, साइंस की सारी बुक एक साथ डाल दी जाएंगी, सोशल की सब एक साथ. So this is the sorting and classification. And classification makes us easy to understand, easy to learn, yes, easy to find out. Now look matter. Anything that occupy space and has mass, known as matter. And matter made up of small particles, and these small particles are called as atoms. The materials may occur in three states: solids, liquid and gases. If the particles are present, atoms present distant away, they having too much gap, such kind of the state is the gaseous state. In the gaseous state, there is less attraction between the particles. Particles having gap but lesser than the gases. Such kind of state is known as liquid. Now you are looking over here the physical state in which particles are closely packed. Closely packed, tightly packed, known as solids. Solids having definite shape and definite volume, known as solids. Liquids, they have definite volume but they do not have definite shape. जिस भी कंटेनर में डालेंगे उसका ये शेप ले लेता है. Why? Because the particles having lesser attraction than the solids and they are loosely packed. Next one, in case of the gases, the physical state in which volume, size, shape, nothing is fixed, nothing is definite, all are changed. So such kind of material known as gases. Gases, due to their volume is not fixed, definite, they take the volume and in which they are poured. जिसमें वो डालेंगे उसकी साइज को ये गेन कर लेता है. You know, perfume bottle like this one, इतनी सी होती है, but when it open, it take the shape of our रूम में रखा रूम जैसी हो जाएगी, छोटा रखा छोटा जैसी हो जाएगी. बट इन केस ऑफ लिक्विड्स डू नॉट हैव डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम. दैट्स व्हाई दे अनेबल टू टेक द साइज ऑफ द कंटेनर. गॉट इट? नाउ लुक ओवर हियर. लिक्विड्स हैविंग अ प्रॉपर्टी दैट इज दी फ्लोइंग, इसको कहते हैं हम लोग लिक्विडिटी, फ्लोइंग एबिलिटी, राइट. Liquids and gases, because they having tendency to flow, that's why, and both don't having definite shape and definite size, so these are known as, combinedly known as fluids. Liquid and gases both combinedly called as fluids. Now look properties of the matter. Before discussing the properties of matter, look over here. Some of the material available in nature, stone, metals, wood, right? These are available in nature. So these materials are known as natural materials. Some of the materials can be made by our human beings. The materials which are made by human beings are known as man-made materials or synthetic material, artificial material. Now properties of the matter. The matter having different color. You can recognize some of the material by seeing their color. Chili, red in color. Leaves, green in color. Turmeric, yellow in color. Coriander powder, slightly brownish green in color. So we can recognize, distinguish different material on the basis of their color. So some of the material having colored, and some are colorless. Water is colorless. Next one, odor. Some of the materials having special odor, flavor. लौंग, इलायची, कोई इलायची खा रहा हूं लोग पप्पल फट से पहचान जाएंगे. Some of the material having different kind of pleasant smell, some having non-pleasant smell. लेमन, कुछ फ्रूट्स होते हैं, कोई चीकू खा रहा हो तो हम लोग उसको पहचान जाते हैं. So some matter having different kind of odor. Next one, taste. Some of the material having sweet in taste, bitter in taste, salty in taste, spicy in taste. So we can taste different materials. Different material having different taste, but we can't taste all the material because some of the material may be poisonous. Now appearance. Some of the materials, how they appear. Some of the materials appear shining in appearance, and this shining in appearance known as lustrous. Lustrous material which are shining in appearance, gold, silver, steel, all the metals are lustrous in nature. Iodine is a non-metal which is lustrous in nature. Iodine, diamond, non-lustrous, the material which do not having any lustrous, चमक नहीं होती उनके अंदर. Stone, soil. Now hardness. Some of the materials can compress easily, known as soft material, cotton, foam. Some of the materials are hard. They do not compress easily. So these are hard substances. Next one, solubility in water. Do you know there are two materials in a solution? One is solute, another one is the solvent. Solute and solvent. The material which is dissolved called as solute. Salt, sugar, these are common solute. Solvent, liquid material जिसमें डिजोल्व करेंगे. वाटर इज अ कॉमन सॉल्वेंट, ये सबको डिजोल्व कर लेता है, इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई वाटर इज नॉन एज यूनिवर्सल सॉल्वेंट बिकॉज इट डिजोल्व मोस्ट ऑफ द मटेरियल्स. राइट, द मिक्सचर ऑफ सोल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट इज नॉन एज सॉल्यूशन. गॉट इट? नाउ द एबिलिटी ऑफ अ मटेरियल टू डिजोल्व इन वाटर. The ability of material to dissolve in water is called as solubility. अब ये solubility, some of the material कैन बी डिजोल्व, सॉलिड है तो कैन बी डिजोल्व, सेकेंड कैन नॉट बी डिजोल्व. The material which dissolve in water, soluble substances, salt, sugar, right, whatever it is. The material which do not dissolve in water, sand, chalk powder, sawdust, these are insoluble in water. When we compare two liquids known as miscible and immiscible, liquids may be miscible and immiscible. Miscible liquids like the वाटर के अंदर विनेगर डाल दो, वाटर के अंदर मिल्क डाल दो, मिल्क, विनेगर, लेमन जूस, लाइम जूस, these are the soluble in, miscible in water. But when we put oil, mustard oil or whatever it is, coconut oil, so these are immiscible in water. So miscible and immiscible. Now students, look to another concept. Number one, density, and that is second one is the transparency. Look, there is one condition is given over here. Particles arrangement. Particles arrangement. When you take a particular volume, unit volume, in which number of particles will be more, absolutely in this case second. So what is the definition of the density? The amount of mass per unit volume. Mass means number of atoms. We can imagine mass per unit volume is known as density. Got it? Some material may be having more density. Metals are denser than other ones. Non-metals having lesser density. Water के comparison में बात करते हैं. If a material having more density than the water, some of the material may be less density than the water. If more density than the water, they will sink. Lesser density than the water, they will float. That is the concept of floating and sinking in water. Got it? Now, second concept. Transparency. What do you mean by transparency? Some of the material allow light to pass through them. Some of the materials allow light to pass through them, while some others allow to pass light, but in some extent. कुछ खा जाएंगे बीच में. And in third condition, some of the materials do not allow to pass light through them. So on this property, we can classify various material. And what is the transparency? The ability, the property of the matter to pass the light through them, across to them, known as transparency. Look over here, some of the material allow light pass through them completely. Transparent. Transparent, we can see clearly across them. Glass, clean water, air, transparent. Translucent, the material which do not allow light to pass through them completely. We can see, but not completely, not too much clearly than the transparent. So such kind of object known as translucent. This is the paper. Put the oil over here. Now we can see. This is opaque, but when we put oil, it become the translucent. Frosted glass. ग्लास है, ग्लास के ऊपर फिल्म चढ़ा दिया या कलर कर दिया. दिस इज दी फ्रोस्टेड ग्लास. फ्रोस्टेड ग्लास, ऑयली पेपर, डर्टी वाटर, थोड़ा कम गंदा. दिस बिकम दी translucent. Right? Now, opaque objects. The objects which do not allow to light pass through them, known as opaque objects. We can't see anything across the across the opaque objects. Wood, paper, wall, dirty, muddy water, total muddy water is the opaque object. जब कोहरा होता है, फॉग होता है, तो कैसा हो जाता है? ट्रांसपेरेंट या ट्रांसलूसेंट? इन फॉगी कंडीशन ट्रांसलूसेंट. एयर, क्लीन एयर ट्रांसपेरेंट, फॉगी एयर ट्रांसलूसेंट. राइट? So this is the transparent, translucent and opaque object.